Hi, this is Jeff from TrueFit. Today I'm going to show you how to make a TrueFit profile. Look for the red T with the Which Size Fits Me button. You use the sliding scale to enter some basic information, like your height, your weight. Add a reference item to compare what you're shopping for to one you already have in your closet. Select your size to help TrueFit better understand how you like your clothes to fit. Finally, save your profile by entering your email address and creating a password. You'll receive your recommended size and enjoy that feel-good fit experience.